Hi there, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to be discussing the SUMIF function. The SUMIF function is used to add all ranges based on a single or multiple criteria. For instance, in this question we are asked to calculate the total price of each flavor drink. We have Sprite, Fanta and Coke. And the first thing that we're going to do is to type in is equals to SUMIF. Then you will see that you'll be given a general formula. And then the first one is the range. The range is all the data or the collections of all cells which you have in the question, and then you'll put in the semicolon, then select the criteria. The criteria means a specific range that you are exactly looking for or that you are required to look for. Do not forget to put in the semicolons to avoid mistakes and things. Then we move on to the sum range. You can see that we are being directed here. The sum range is all numbers or prices of all ranges that we have selected in the first question. Then we are going to get our answer, which is 30. Then we are going to autofill to avoid wasting time. Then we have all our answers. Then if you don't understand, you can rewind, replay and pause. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share and subscribe if you haven't. Till I see you next time, and goodbye.